2,000 protesters arrested over the past few days have been taken to an old bus depot on Manhattan's west side. The now secure 57 temporary holding facility is stirring up some controversy of its own. Protests are being held there to spotlight conditions. Some of those being detained say they're getting sick. There are reports of cramped conditions, rashes, chemical burns, and difficulty breathing.
Stick people in an oil-filled garage with asbestos.
Please all be seated. Bryn Horndaw, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff and to our graduation ceremony. First off the bat, I have to say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Woo! Well done. We're going to be doing that a lot this afternoon, but I'm glad that you're sounding in good heart. I'm Laura Trevelyan, and I have the great honour of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. Like you, I too am a proud Cardiff graduate. Back in 1991, long before you were born, I have a postgraduate diploma in newspaper journalism. Cardiff has given me a career, a husband, good friends, and now the great privilege of being Chancellor. And my hope for all of you is that Cardiff will continue to shape your lives in the way that it has mine. And I'll have something to say a bit later on about a new initiative in our alumni community that I hope that you will join. We are here this afternoon to celebrate the achievements of our students in our School of English, Communication and Philosophy and our School of Modern Languages. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, as you well know, and you've demonstrated dedication and commitment to get where you are today. Well done. You've all got knowledge, you've got talent, compassion, and empathy to become a positive force in our world. Students in our School of English, Communication and Philosophy have explored human thought, creativity, and expression. You understand how our world is shaped through the power of words and ideas, and you will understand how it can be changed for the better. Students in our School of Modern Languages have developed the knowledge and talent to become confident linguists and have a strong intercultural understanding, a vital skill in today's world. All of you are leaving us with a Cardiff qualification that tells the world you're ambitious, you're passionate, and you've studied here at this fantastic university. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that should bring you. Thank you for all that you have brought to your school and to your university. For now, though, your job is to sit back and enjoy this moment. Congratulations. Do enjoy it, because no moment in your life ever again will be quite like this, when you're on the cusp of whatever is next, leaving behind your friends and Cardiff with a sense of excitement, probably in trepidation too. And we're all here to wish you well. For family and friends, you have one job today, which is to make as much noise as possible when your loved one crosses the stage. By the way, no noise is too noisy. So I'll be listening out. We need lots of loud and enthusiastic applause. So once again, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to the great Cardiff class of 2025. And I now have the pleasure of introducing Catrin Edith Parry. Catrin will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. And this poem by Gwyneth was specially commissioned for Cardiff University. I give you Catrin.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Feiddio, gwellhad o wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It's a simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydd edwybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod siarter frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hasidiaethau a'u hysgolheictod wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlo'n lwyddiant y rhai sydd yn graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb am ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and have been found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve for common good, to strive for excellence on all things and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Prynhawn da. I'm Michaela Paynes, your Vice President Postgraduate Students from the Students' Union. And Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day which you will all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or Peru, making new friends, and perhaps living independently for the first time in your life. None of these are easy feats, so for that, I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university, or you may be a carer or a parent and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you've achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences you've shared together in a seminar room, a society or a sports club, the opportunities you've embraced, and the relationships that you have built have made you into the graduate and the person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge your hard work and dedication that brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth that you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be in the good name of our university and for the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, class of 2025.
Wel, prynawn da iawn I chi gyd. A very good afternoon to all of you. Fy enw i'r Athro Damien Walford-Davies. My name is Professor Damien Walford-Davies, and I am Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Cardiff University. And my job today is very, very simple. It is beautifully simple and beautifully joyous. It is to welcome all students to receive their award. And that's the part of the ceremony, as you know, when the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. And students cross the stage, each on an individual journey, each of them experiencing their own moment of achievement and of theatre. So as Laura, our Chancellor, has just said, please do celebrate the achievement of our students as they cross the stage. Now, let's enter into a deal. A word on noise. Now, I know what Laura has said, but I'll go further. I don't care if you clap or stamp or emit noises hitherto unknown to humankind. That's what you need to do. And I know that you will keep it classy. Noise is good. Have we got a deal? A chi bwch y cyfle da chi I nodi cyrhaeddiad eich teulu a'ch ffrindiau yn llafar iawn. So once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and have returned to their seats, as you know, you'll be asked to stand. And it's our tradition for me then to speak in what is my own first language, Welsh, to receive each group of students to their award. Now, I always emphasize this. It's a bit anarchish, I know, but I like process and I like governance. And technically, your degrees were awarded at the very close of the examination board process in various rooms back at the university, but there's something about the conferring ceremonially of the award that has that little bit of magic in it. And the Welsh phrase, the Welsh formula I will use, translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. And then I'll say the magic word, llongyfarchiadau. So it'll be very clear, just take my lead, it'll be very, very simple. I now introduce Professor Mark Llywelyn, my colleague, Head of the School of English Communication and Philosophy, who will present the students for their awards. Mark.
I, Professor Mark Llywelyn, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Emily Abdeg-Meged. Rebecca Adams. Elizabeth Adetoye. Fatima El Atta. Jenny Algiri. Amar Singh Ali. Toby Anderson. Ashra Anjum. Megan Anstey. Sophie Arben. Keithika Arelno Sivan. Isabel Avis, Megan Baker, Cora Grace Barton Bates, Avanish Bavadeka, Alicia Beale, Ella Beecher, Cassandra Louise Bell, Archie Benson Gaunt, Louis Bergen, Ella Beswick, Sophie Elizabeth Bevel Anderson, Evelyn Grace Biddulph, Gracie Elizabeth Bird, Emily Bitty, Imogen Blair, Julia Bottoms, Amelia Bowers, Elizabeth May Boyle, Tabitha Charlotte Elizabeth Bradshaw, Elias Yasmin Bray, Connie Brazier, Matilda Briggs, Elodie Brooke, Jacob Brukey, Archie Brown, Courtney Lee Buchanan, Bo Delia Burt, Grace Emily Bywater, Megan Caldwell, Amelia Jude Carly Kwan, Georgina Carpenter, Emily Cartwright, Isabel Chance, Ava Chapman, Huile Lam Chung, Zenos Anthony Christo Deludu, Carriad Christopher, Lucretia Siziadaki, Olivia Clark, Emily Jane Clegg, Miranda Grace Clitheroe-Warman, Amelia Florence Cody, Jack Collier, Arabella Connolly, William Connor, Erin Kumis, Eve Cooper, Emily Jane Corbett, Tom Cottrell, Emily Jo Cottle, Grace Cox, Hannah Rachel Coyle, Poppy Kramer, Catherine Croft, Paige Kropp, James Crowley, Emma Gabrielle Curtis Philippe, William John Dadswell, William Daly, Maya Darji, Emily Claire Stewart Davis, Matthew Davis, Millie Davis, Yamina Davrona, Kate Anwala de Castello, Catherine Dean, Catherine Dacey, Annalise Tululidello, Evie Dennis. Zara Deno. Dilchi Kyla Diabu. Olivia Dixon. Wei Kui Dong. Grace Lily Donovan. Clara Down. Leah Emma Downs. Neve Doyle. Catherine Drummond. Christopher Aluwa. Phoebe Essex. Courtney May Evans. Kaylee Marie Evans. Lily Abigail Evans. Lucy Annabelle Evans. Holly Fairweather. Ruby Ava Q. Facaliali. Reuben John Faulkner. Alexandra Findle Hawkins Albaran. Che Fish. Jolie Fisher. Daniel Flack. Molly Rose Flanagan. Alisa Grace Fletcher. Sophie Foley. L. Christina Footman. Rebecca Margaret Foster. Jessica Fotheringham. Claudia Foxwell. Nathaniel Gatenby. Chelsea Louise Gibbs. Joshua Gilbert. Jacob Gill. Jack Gillian. Anna Gleason. Isabel Glover. Seb Golds. Emily Goodrum. Gabriel Ivor Samuel Gold. Maddie Granger. Henry William Grayson. Edie Barron Gregory. Poppy Phelps. Angela Griffith. Emily Griffiths. Joseph David Gingho Groom. Ella Gross. Joseph Gunning. Jules Hamilton. Kim Willem Hards. Julietta Annika Harink. Poppy Harper. Jackson Hatfield. Sophelia Hauptmann. Lucy Rose Hawkes. Roisin Hawkswood. Emily Hayes. Sonny Anthony Frank Derek Haynes. Claudia Heath. Tiger Lily Hextall. Emily Grace Henderson. Millie Higgins. Frances Holly Hill. Kyra Hinchcliffe. Tabitha, Grace Dea Hobbs. Grace Mayer Holmes. Parul Homkar. Connor Hood. Caitlin Hooper. Elire Horrell. Lauren Howard. Alicia Howe. Samuel Hughes. Ibtisam Hussain. Daisy May Hutchins. Joshua Ilesley. Ben Stafford Ingham. Phoenix Itani. Hannah Amelia James. Alicia Jeans. Freya Rose Jenkins. Amelia John. Ellen Rose Johnson. Georgina Bobby Johnson. Lorcan Johnston Smith. Darcy Jones. Anna Bethan Jones. Caitlin Rebecca Illyri Jones. Caitlin Tina Jones. Cariad Hannah Jones. Dylan Delwyn Jones. Eleanor Jones. Emma Rachel Jones. Gwennon Hav Jones. Max Jones. Morgan Jones. Seren Wynne Jones. Alicia Kapotwe. Caitlin Bryony Kemp. Corey Kennedy. Rebecca Kilburn. Ria Alana King. Isaac George Kingdom Muller. Yassine Mohammed Carrera. Sapphire Ellen Latrobe. Isabel Lake. Harriet Lambert. Ruby Delith Langford. Annabelle Lee. Jessica Grace Lemon. Gabriel Austin Lester. Alex Lewis. James Alec Henry Lindsay. Aileen Lindsay. Jinwen Liu. Kaylee Lloyd. Maisie Marie Lloyd. Isabel Logan. Mateusz Warnifsky. Tina Law Ching Yung. Hannah Malik. Dan Marley. Zach Marsh. Emma Jane Marshall. Larissa Jean Joan Marshall-Ducker. Ariana Maria Matthews. Rihanna Justina Rose Matthews. Sean Matthias. Sophie McBride. Amelia Grace McCartney. Isla McCormack. Ben McElfatrick. Beatrice McGarvey. Ryan Patrick McGowan. Nia McKenna. Henry McLean. Fionn McNeil. Alice Metcrow. Emma Rachel Kate Maloney. Libby Jessica Middleton. Jennifer Mildren. Catherine Elizabeth Miller. Georgine Mockridge. Nia Mahindru. Diana Muller. So Young Moon. Maxwell Moore. Edie Adele Joanne Morris. Benjamin Mould. Henry Moxon. Caitlin Mulligan. Joseph Murphy. Dana Najim. Beatrice Nolder. Solomon Henry Newth. Sebastian Newton. Katerina Rose Norman. Megan O'Brien. Tara O'Brien. Elizabeth Oliver Browning. Tegan O'Reilly. Jasmine Nia Osborne. Alia Oskoth. Aliyah Osum Bemikun. Lucy Imogen Packer. Muskan Pahava. Paige Karen Papworth. Emily Paradise Rianne. Colleen Jane Parker. Maisie Parry. Lucas Pavlimbe. Lydia Antonia Peachy. Nathaniel Perfremont. Frank Perkin. Saul Michael John Peterson Flynn. Noah Petersons. Claudia Joan Hood Phillips. Ella Fionn Picton Thomas. Isabel Pindar. Antonia Poynan. Katie May Peretta. Sian Podgita. Brooke Levy Pothecary. Eleanor Louise Powell. Lauren Powell. Neve Powell. Aris Prevost. Stephanie Grace Proctor. Alexandra Prosser. Natasha Puknarevich. Grace Eliza Quayle. Georgina Carell. Joseph Rabas. Beth Radley. Jodine Corray. Janal Joseph Rajput. Sia Laxmi Devi Ramphal. Noah James Kiffin Ray. Oliver Redhead. Alicia Regan. Alice Josie Duggan Roach. Holly Roach. Georgina Robb. Molly Rowley. Ellie Mae Russell. Owen Russell. Lowry Ryan Jones. Musa Salah. Joshua Salisbury. Natasha Kukua Swan. Aileen Quoli Montenegro Santiago. Isabel Schoenberg. Flora Scordino. Elliot Scott. Pippa Seeger. Isabella Selby. Jennifer Senior. Salma Shah. Hannah Shah. Connie Shergold. Jasmine Alea Sherritt. Maya Short. Isabel Slater. Helen Christian Smith. Lisa Smith. Paige Smith. Eleanor Elizabeth Spain. Caris Ann Speed. Sophie Evelyn Spencer. Edward Jonathan Henry Sterling. Katie Isabel Story. Alice Rose Stubberfield. Aidan Sully. Mia Swift. Annabella Maytalis. Eva Rose Tarrant. Leah Rose Love Taylor. Maud Taylor. Kezia Taylor Lawson. Joseph Alexander Terry. Eve Tina Thackwell. Hannah Thomas. Lily Mae Tierney. Lydia Caitlin Louise Tilston. Mia Timothy. Aaron Toutlin. Lucy Trelaw. Sadie Sang. Tamsin Uglow. Melissa Urban. Oscar Van Deventer. Angelica Vasilia. Cameron Wagg. Christian Walker. Isabel Walsh. Amber Frances Walsh O'Donnell. Phoebe Victoria Beatrix Walsh Waring. Sophie Elizabeth Grace Watson. Ellery Watts. Emily Eugene West. Annie Whitaker. Lauren Elsa Whiting. Alexandra James Wilby. Molly Wilcox. Sarah Ann Wilcox. Caitlin Williams. Eve Williams. Gemma Wilmot. Edith Catherine Wilson. Sasha Louise Wilson. Sabine Wilson Patrick. Neve Marie Winter. Sarah Withers. Chloe Jade Woodhouse. Charlotte Ride. Ellie Bethan Young. Agri Uris Zardasht. Aisha Bayu.
I, Dr. Caroline Lynch, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Ella Pritchard. Ewan Bailey. Christopher James Brandy. Ellen Beach. Abigail Dorothy Margaret Beckett. Matilda Connor Bolgar. Lucas Brovan. Charlotte Emily Brown. Serena Taylor Burrows. Gemma Carlisle. Benson Catt. Harvey Cattermole. Alicia Clark. Megan Kate Clark. Hannah Louise Clinton. Laura Connolly. Alexandra Chasarova. Stephanos Cummings. Shani Daly. Ruby Davies. Olivia Donson. Amira Dubuisson. Neve Dwyer. Orla Elizabeth Eaton. Hannah Lucy Euler. Sean Ferguson. Jacob Franklin. Harry Freesham. Travis John George. Hannah Glanville. Amy Gordon Smith. Olivia Gore. Jasmine Haduka Taylor. Corey Hamilton Lane. Georgina Hansen. Amy Harris. Oliver Hassan. Maria Hassan Fernandez. Oliver Heyman. Naomi Hennessy. Evan Herbert. Alex Hoivle. Estelle Yvonne Cobbold-Hiscock. Charlotte Alexandra Ellison House. Charles Hughes. Eve Hewish. Talia Hunton. Daniela Yanelli. Fleur Jeffrey. Kristen Orlando Jimenez. Celia Jupe. Aliyah Stella Kelson Travers. Yana Kostova. Anna Kittier. Catherine King. Sarah Larcombe. Owen Leet. Emma Lee. Sin Man Lee. Georgia Livesey. Nicholas Maddern. Eleanor Faye Maguire. Thomas Mahoney. Harris Abdul Rahim Malik. Heather Martin. Shona Claire Martin Papillon. Abigail Matson. Dominique Letitia McBarnett. Thomas Mogford. Leah Jane Moore. Ashley Jade Jordan Noble. Maeve O'Donnell. Michael Omadire. Owen Palmer. Stefania Jane Papadunstantaki. Virginia Yanina Pashish. Molly Faye Piart Mills. Lucy Jane Penellum. Millie Phillips. Josh Pickett. Fionn Price. Maeve Proctor. Shakil Kazum. Tambu Iang Takon. Lucy Rennie. Claudia Francis Roberts. Eleanor Sophie Roberts. Olivia Virginia Robinson. Molly Rogers. Thomas Royal. Amico Belisalvi. Lana Saman. Anna Schuhart. Kate Elizabeth Zodi. Alexandra Payun Stereo. Grace Stonehouse. Jennifer Rose Anwen Studman Badillo. Dorothea Sabo. Sophia Natalia Schlegolski Jacobs. Ruby Tanner. Rihanna Lee Tester. Samuel George Thomas. Sophie Rebecca Waite. Harvey Ward. Dominic Watkins. Benjamin Whitmore. Lucy Rhiannon Williams. Isabel May Windsor. Yui Ting Ryan Wong. Alexander Jivanovic. I, Dr. Caroline Lynch, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Emilia Alexandra Mrovka. Lawrence Payu.
Excellent reading out of our students' names, Professors Lynch and Llewellyn. Thank you very much. My eardrums went 4 times there. Every time my hearing came back, it went again. Crowds, groups round about here, very rowdy. Excellent. Do you hire your services out commercially? That was the loudest graduation ceremony so far, and we're not the whole way through. Excellent. This is going extremely well. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Please sit. Now you're just showing off.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Megan Grace Dover. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Mark Babu. Chloe Bailey. Karen Ban. Thomas David Llewellyn. Freya Bennett. Katie Browning. Sam Chapman. Victoria Clark. Bronwyn Cradus. Leanne Bianshu. Toby Curtis. Emilia Doan. Alejandra Escamilla Sanchez. Isabel Enid Fisher. Jack Flanagan. Lauren Jordan Fleming. Lauren Franks. Irie Fukusawa. Hannah Alicia Gathacole. Holly Gillard. Abigail Caroline Goulden. Austin Hampshire. Katie Rebecca Hennessy. Pippa Higgins. Alexander Thomas Hughes. Molly Izar Davey. Newt Kelby. Victoria Kendrick Doyle. Samantha Latham. Sasha Leonard. Rowan Maddox. Shivani Manoran. Kimberly Martinez. Alicia McCulloch. Sean McKevitt. Kate Morgan Lawson. Kelsey Parsons. Samuel Peach. Andrea Perez. Emma Adele Pierce. Angela Pitcher Dowdle. Christina Quaid. Neve Roberts. Lucille Elisa Beth Roosing. Dua Mustafa Soliman. Emma Sorrell. Lucy Street. Ellie Suited. Millie Thomas. Rishane Time Perrett. Susie May Vaughan. Caitlin Welsh. Isabella White. Katie Wilson. Amelia Ann Woolcott. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
And so, would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Gret, diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and their research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Arwa Al-Mubudal. Dr. Najla Al-Qaidi. Dr. Zina Kabalan. Dr. Abdullah Al-Karni. Dr. Bandar Al-Talidi. Dr. Axel Bergstrom. Dr. Amanda Courtright-Lim. Dr. Shipin Zhao. Dr. Catherine Kavanagh. Dr. Danielle Lee. Dr. Jack Stephen Anthony Lewis. Dr. Martha O'Brien. Dr. James Paskin. Dr. Bethany Pinard. Dr. Lloyd John Watkins. Dr. Claire Williamson. Dr. Catherine Stella Young. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn bawb, stedwch.
Getting close, guys. We're down to the alumni section, so you know we're nearing the end. Prynhawn da pawb. My name is Barry Sullivan. I'm from the Alumni Relations team, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome our alumni speaker today. Max Foster graduated from the Cardiff Business School in 1994 with a degree in business administration. Following a postgraduate diploma in broadcast journalism, he spent 10 years at the BBC, most notably as a business reporter for the World Service and BBC Breakfast. He joined CNN in 2005 as an anchor and correspondent covering major world events. He has interviewed everyone from Donald Trump to Steve Jobs and Dolly Parton. Don't hear them in a sentence very often, no. Max has over 1 million followers on TikTok alone and has been named Adweek's Creative 100 and TikTok's Best 100 Creators. Max is also a member of Cardiff Business School Alumni Advisory Forum, helping to advise and support the school on a range of topics, and last year hosted the university's 30ish Awards, where we celebrate changemakers, innovators, and rule breakers in the alumni community. So I'm looking forward to nominations from some of these people sat here very soon. This needs fact-checking, but I'm pretty sure it's the first time this week where a pair of vintage Air Jordans have graced this podium, and I'm very welcome. Thank you, Max.
Thanks, Barry. Congratulations, class of 2025. What an incredible moment for you. You've graduated from a top university. You've survived those embarrassing moments at the Student Union, and you've come away with amazing friends. So hold on to those relationships. You might want to rush out of here, but what I'd say to you is the people you met here, they know you for who you are, not what you are, and they will remind you in the years ahead of those embarrassing moments at the Student Union. And it's important because you need to be reminded from people who know you for who you are and what you did with them when you're successful, because they're the people that will keep you grounded, because when you become successful, you're not always sure about the people around you. And the mates that you take away from here are the ones you can go to and really ask genuine questions, and they won't judge you because they don't actually care what you do. That's what I find, anyway. Great education, much more than what you learn. It's who you learn it with. And I can see it here today. I mean, what I'm seeing is what I felt 30 years ago or something like that. I don't like to think about it. But anyone can come to Cardiff, grow intellectually, and leave with that vital support network. And I think it is one unique thing about this university, and you notice it every time you'll come back in future, is the community that you have here and how anyone can make it. One of my great friends from Cardiff came back with me today. Louise, where are you? Somewhere. She's very small. And we went down a trip, memory lane trip, just this morning to what used to be the Park Hotel. I can't even remember what it's called now, but you'll know the hotel. And we had a legendary lunch there back in the day. Her parents took us out for lunch. The restaurant, so posh. There was a mega Hollywood star sitting in the corner. It was Anthony Hopkins. Louise and I were utterly starstruck. We stared at him. He caught our eye. We looked down at our fancy food. And we both had exactly the same thought at the same time, because we were both aspiring journalists. I was doing some work at the BBC. Louise was working at Guy Reeve. Obviously, we wanted an interview, but we didn't ask for one because we didn't want to disturb his lunch. And just so you get the context here, he had just been in Silence of the Lambs, which was one of the biggest movies of the decade. He'd completely gone off the radar. No one even knew where he was. He hadn't been seen in Hollywood for months. He was obviously trying to hide out, at least in Wales, which is, of course, where he's from. After the lunch, we sort of had another look and we left. We started walking back to the uni. And then we both had the same thought at the same time. And we went back to the hotel. And we didn't disturb his lunch, but we did leave a note for him at reception asking for an interview. We knew we wouldn't hear back, but the point is, if you don't ask, you don't get right. So we didn't know if he'd get the note, we didn't know if he'd approve. I mean, if he's going to give the one interview everyone in the world wants, why would he give it to a couple of students from Cardiff University? But we did explain that it would make a big difference to us because, you know, it would make us famous, basically. Anyway, we left it. The reason I'm telling you that is because you don't want a life of regret. And regret is not taking opportunities when they come up. It's not asking the question. And if you always ask the question, even if it's a no, then you won't have regret, because you'll know. The regret is always wondering, that thought at the back of your head saying, what if it said yes? Anyway, a few weeks, months passed. Me and Louise are trying to exactly refine it. We can't really remember because it's so long ago. Anyway, I was coming down my very grotty stairs in Gateys Terrace, and there was a letter on the doorstep. This is the letter. 118 Gateys Terrace. I don't know if anyone else has lived there since they've been here. Sorry about the state we left it in. Anyway, the letter's here. And it reads, The Park Hotel, 18th of January 1993. Dear Max and Louise, thank you for your letter. Yes, I will be able to give you an interview, but not just now. I'll be coming to Cardiff on the 22nd of February to make a film in the Rhondda, and I'll be staying at this hotel. So you could contact me then, and we'll fix something up. Yours, Anthony Hopkins. So we did contact the hotel when he was there, and we did do the interview. And it made headlines across the BBC, and it made most of the British newspapers and some international newspapers as well. And that was when I stopped wanting to be a journalist and actually realized I could be one. And when I look back at all of the turning points in my career, they all happened because I asked for what I wanted. I know that sounds very basic, but you're not going to be able to succeed without getting what you want, and you're not going to be able to do it without people's help. And they're not going to be able to help you if they don't know what you want. So if you don't ask them, you're not going to get it. You're not going to succeed. And it's a very basic thought. But the other point I'll say is, when you're afraid of people saying no, people like to be asked. So Anthony Hopkins arguably created my career. He was trying to help young students. He could have given the interview to a top anchor from a US network, but he gave it to a couple of students and probably had as much impact because the story still went everywhere because everyone wanted to hear from Anthony Hopkins at the time. So people like to say yes because it makes them feel appreciated, it makes them feel valuable, and they actually get value from you asking them. So there's no risk to asking for something. The only risk is not asking for something, because then you have the regret. And as you get older, you look back on your life and think, why didn't I just ask? So what I'm saying to you is just get past that now. And if you want to be successful, the only way is to ask for help from people. And they want, even if they can't give you exactly what you want, they will try to help you because they appreciate being asked. And it took me a while to figure that out. So I'm not going to say good luck to you, class of 2025, because I think now you know how to create your own.
Thank you, Max. So there you have it. Don't ask, don't get. That is the message from Max. He got the scoop with Anthony Hopkins, and he has more than 1 million followers on TikTok, which didn't even exist in 1993. We had no idea what was to come. Thank you so much, Max. That was fantastic. Now, it's my great honour to deliver the closing remarks, and I must begin once again by congratulating you. Llongafach Iardai, the great Cardiff class of 2025. You're now alumni! So, you, in the course of the last hour and a half, you have become members of the Cardiff Alumni University community. Cymuned Cynfeddwyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. Now, Cardiff alums come in many different forms. Some are very tall and very high profile, like Max. Others lead quiet lives where nonetheless they are solid contributors to their communities. As my favourite writer Virginia Woolf wrote, and some of you English grads may have read her, she wrote, "No need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself." So that's my message to you, to thine own self be true, as you begin this next chapter, but just remember to keep asking for what you want, though, as Max said. For some of you, today will be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff and your dear friends. I remember that feeling well. But do not despair. The Welsh word for this moment, hiraeth, conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope you'll keep Hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. And with that in mind, as your Chancellor, I'd like to invite all of you to join us in creating a new tradition. In July of 2026, we will hold our first ever big reunion weekend to celebrate the first anniversary of your graduation. We want to try and help you build a social and professional network which will be with you forever. As the mother of American children, I've seen how American universities cultivate their alumni, and these relationships become the backbone of your lives. And I want that for all of you. So come back next year, and for the milestone anniversaries of your graduation, we'll throw a big party for you in 2030 for the 5th anniversary of your graduation, the 10th anniversary, and so on and so forth. I hope the great Cardiff class of 2025 will be here in 2075 for your 50th anniversary of your graduation. So please be there. I will be long gone, but you can carry the torch for Cardiff. So please volunteer to be captains or captains in English. We need people to help organise the reunion next July. Before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition that we must uphold. While today is all about you, the graduates, it isn't something that you did by yourself. Your mums, your dads, your siblings, your friends, your lecturers, everybody played a part. So can I please ask the new graduates to stand if you're able? Everybody in this arena made a lot of noise for you. And this is your chance to say diolch yn fawr to your loved ones. So let's hear your thank you to those who got you to this point. Come on, you can do better than that. Fantastic. Very good. Well, you may be seated. Thank you. To close our celebrations, here is a short film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy it, and don't forget to come back next year for our first reunion. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you to everybody for joining us today, and once again, Slongafachia. Congratulations to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Paolo.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare, or Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark, Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news that absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
this is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.